got a good 3 inches of snow. It wasn't supposed to snow last night. It was supposed to rain. Look at that. I'm off. Gotta head home. If you've been watching our Facebook or our Instagram for any time now, you'll know that Kim and I have been watching our grandkids for the past week while our daughter and her husband, or son-in-law, have been off on a little vacation, just the two of them. They're off in Maui, and we're watching the kids, the grandkids, and it's been just awesome. We've loved it. The kids have been amazing. Sliding a little bit, and there's snow everywhere this morning. We weren't supposed to get snow. It's only supposed to rain last night, but woke up to 3 to 4 inches of snow, and now I gotta hurry and get home. We are expecting a delivery. I just got a text message saying they are on their way, and I gotta hustle to get there because it's gonna take me at least a half hour to get home, and that's about the amount of time I have. So I'm on my way home. A special delivery, something that we've been waiting on for over a week now, and it's a big package that is for our Off Grid Homestead. Really excited to get it and show it to you. So now I got a slow driver in front of me. All right, I better pay attention. We've got a trifecta of snowplows going, 3 of them. You don't usually see that. It's a 2-lane road, well, 4-lane road, 2 in each direction, and we've got 3 snowplows going our direction. They're clearing it good. It's been 40 minutes since I got the text saying that they would be to our place within an hour. I still have maybe 10 more minutes to get home. It's been such a slow ride, but I've been safe, and it's all good. We'll get there when we get there. Safety first. There they are. They made it. They had as much trouble getting here as I did. They were stuck behind snowplows just like me. So I guess that was a good thing. There's my package. I got to get that from there all the way back there. That is not going to be fun.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like a takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes.
All right, well, now the work starts. The pallet is dropped off. It's in the road. I've got some safety cones around it, but they haven't been here to plow our driveway, which we're supposed to be number 1 on the list for clearing the snow every morning when it snows. And they haven't been here. So now I'm gonna have to get my shovel, shovel the driveway, and then unpack the pallet and carry those solar panels one at a time up to our garage and restack. So I have a ton of work cut out for me today. I better get started.
And you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down.
That is one huge pallet. I'm not looking forward to manually unloading that, stacking it, but that's what we got to do. I think I'm going to go in the house and rest for a few minutes while the sun has a chance to maybe melt some of the areas that I've cleared and get rid of some of that ice I've got these cones out here. Nobody better run into it. All right, I think I've just been rescued. Just got off the phone with my son-in-law. He's gonna bring a skid steer over and load that thing up on the skid steer and put it in the garage. That is gonna be a lifesaver. So now I just need to wait for him to show up and get it done. Look how beautiful it is today though. Man, the sun is now out, snow everywhere. I love days like this, just amazing, amazing.
Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, yeah, you like it, the way you like it now. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, so good, so fresh. Up on your feet. Show me you got soul. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. The way you like it. So good, so fresh.
And just like that, they're in the garage. That was awesome. That was easy and took maybe 5 minutes. So let me show you what we got here. They're tucked in up here in the corner. Kim still has room to park her car right over here. The garage isn't big enough for my truck, so we never park the truck in here, but that is one big pallet. Solar panels. So these are 460 watt bifacial panels from Blue Sun, and with the bifacial gain, that'll give you up to 575 watts per panel. In actual use, you won't ever get that much, but that's what they're rated. And there's 36 of them, so that gives us just over 16 and a half kilowatts of potential solar array should we install all of them. We haven't decided that yet. Sometimes it makes sense to have a couple extras for spare, and we won't know what they actually look like until we unpack them all. So the crate came undamaged, so I'm expecting everything to look good. But yeah, pretty excited. That is a lot of solar.